1962, a local newspaper published an article describing a stone-cut square with several characters cut on it. The symbols actually remained undeciphered for several years, but it is believed that it is a hint to a great treasure. One professor came forward and read the stone and stated, 40 feet below, 2 million pounds lie buried, but there is a curse that 7 men will die in search for the treasure. Since then, many researchers have drilled their way 40 feet into the ground to look for the treasure, and to date, 6 men have died. Not only that, several millions of savings are spent on this by many explorers who tried to locate the loot. But are we close to the main treasure? Continue watching the video to know the secrets of the money pit. Probably the very first sign of treasure on Oak Island was at the end of 18th century because the pit was first discovered in 1795 by a local boy named Daniel McGuinness, who spotted an unusual clearing on the earth under one of the island's oak trees, and that prompted him to dig the place along with his 2 other friends. There they discovered layered planks, mysterious stone slabs, and mats made of coconut fibers descending deep into the ground. And this turned their casual afternoon dig into an all-out excavation. Interestingly, every 10 feet down they found a man-made shaft featuring wooden platforms. Later, for some reason, after digging 30 feet down, the boys decided to abandon their search and returned home. Some accounts cite superstition as the main reason for this, while others believe that the boys found something and kept it as a secret within themselves. Whatever the reason, the pit which the boys had begun, the money pit, was abandoned. But the story did not go unnoticed. A few years later, a group known as the Onslow Company came to the island equipped with all the excavation tools and continued to dig, which Daniel and his friends had started. So the Oakland mystery, which started with 3 boys, was later led to an organized investigation less than a decade later. Then investors and thrilled seekers jumped into that and continued the work, kicking off one of the world's largest running treasure hunts. Digging down to 90 feet, they continued to find stacked layers of logs in every 10 feet intervals, and that is when they discovered the stone with mysterious markings, which was published in the newspapers that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. After drilling 109 feet, a tunnel was discovered which branched out to intersect the treasure. But the drilling had caused a seawater flood, so the workers who worked there assumed that the water is connected to the sea as the flooded new pit rose and fell with every tide cycle. Unfortunately, their efforts failed in shutting down the flood, so one final shaft was dug at 118 feet deep with the branched off tunnel going under the original shaft, and they found mysterious artifacts that no one was able to translate. Till date, 6 people have lost their lives in quest for this treasure over a period of 100 years, and random coins and artifacts have been unearthed from time to time from the mystery pit, and some skeptics doubt if the island truly holds a massive price. But even among those who believe it, the question that remains is 7 lives too high a price to pay for a treasure? I really wonder what language was used in the stones and artifacts, because if anyone just knows that language, it will be easy to find the treasure. According to the Oak Island Society, an ownership group consisting of Lagina brothers and some partners owned 78% of the Oak Island, including the money pit. Then the remaining 22% of the island is owned by some of the few inhabitants who live there seasonally in the cottages. The owners of the island, Lagina brothers, have been exploring the 140-acre island for years, but they have uncovered fairly little. The focus of much of their searches has been to find the entrance to the money pit. Though the explorers couldn't find the treasure yet, they have made lots of interesting discoveries over this period of years. 2 guys, Rick and Gary, found an antique brooch of copper and gold that was at least 500 years old with a gem which they hoped to be ruby, but it turned out to be garnet. Still not bad. And they have also found several coins that are more than 200 years old, then the bone fragments and a lead cross that was made in around 1200 AD. Every discovery provides more possible clues to the money pit and more background in this mysterious island. Plus, the thrill of the hunt seems to keep them going. In 2019, there were few disappointments when it came to finding the tunnels. However, the crew seemed to have dug up and recovered even more artifacts that led them to believe that they are just one step closer to uncovering the mythical treasure. Maybe this year or next year they'll finally find the treasure. And interestingly, Auckland offers weekend sightseeing tours of the island by knowledgeable local guides over there. You may plan to visit there to have a look at the mysterious money pit.